Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome to our easy morning yoga flow. Let's gently wake up our bodies and start the day feeling good. If you like moving with us, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep practicing together. Ready? Let's begin. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Feet slightly wider than hips. Bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible. Hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Front knee bent, front elbow resting lightly on thigh, top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Sit with legs opened wide, spine upright, hands resting on the floor in front for gentle support. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Before we finish, let's take 30 seconds to breathe slowly and calmly together. Sit comfortably, placing hands on the chest, breathing slowly in through the nose and out through the mouth, feeling calm and ready for the day. Great job, yoga buddies! You moved, stretched, and took care of your body today. If you enjoyed this flow, remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. See you next time. Namaste.